Why can't I create a character in Prontera Server? I'm stuck in this waiting queue. What's this message and I can't install the game? Everything will be answered in this video. One of the most asked questions is, why can't I create a character in the Prontera server? The official answer that came out today by one of the GM team is that due to the overpopulation of the Prontera server, no new characters are allowed to be created. Only existing characters that was created before this issue are able to log in and play. Currently, they are still in the process of fixing this issue, and they stated that they will be making an announcement of the server status in the future. Within the topic of Prontera server being down, another question I believe will be asked a lot within the next few days is, why can't I log into Ragnarok server? As of July 8th, around 11:30 PM, RagnarokMOrigin's official GM posted that, at the moment, new character creation of the Ragnarok server is unavailable. They stated that they are diligently trying to fix this problem at the moment and asked to be patient while they go to work on it. Another commonly asked question is, why am I stuck in this waiting queue window? Currently, a lot of players are stuck in the queue waiting window and cannot log in even though the timer has struck down to 1 second. On the Ragnarok's official website, they have stated that the wait time system was programmed to follow the server's real time, but when the server got congested, an error happened that the program was not following the real time as it was programmed to. As of right now, they reassured us that the program is re-optimized and is now complete to fulfill its original role. Let's hope it stays that way. A big topic that came up during the early hours of the game launch was that they could not install the game and a weird not responsive message kept popping up. And a lot of players were unable to completely install or update their games and could not play. RagnarokMOrigin's GM team announced on July 7th at 8:30 PM they had fixed the issue. But they have been informed that some accounts are still affected by it. They said if the problem still occurs, uninstall the app, restart the phone, and reinstall it. If further action is needed, they will do their best to quickly resolve the issue. For those who are playing on the APK file, find a reliable source and try to re-download from there if you cannot install the game. Lastly, many players stated that once they were disconnected, they dropped anywhere from 2 to 10 levels and a rollback occurred. In the beginning, the GM team suggested that it was just a mere connection issue and said to try and just reconnecting. A lot of players were angry at the fact that they had to redo all of their progress. After further investigation, the Origin team has stated that it was not a connection issue but their server save data. They confirmed that their server data hardware was not storing the data properly, and that was the reason why rollbacks were happening. At the moment, they haven't completely fixed the problem. They stated, currently, the most reasonable optimization has been completed by eliminating the cause of the occurrence and modifying the system. This issue will be an ongoing occurrence and might possibly still affect a lot of players today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel so I can bring you more content like this.